the King&Ally story.
Alright.
Who no want more, subscribe then.
Click the notification bell. Hey.
You want more, subscribe then. Click the notification bell.
Drop your bang a comment then.
Bang, bang, boom.
Down below.
Bang, bang, boom.
Alright. Yeah.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest stuff.
You don't see the handsomest king, though.
Watch your blame.
So, today, we're there with the next EPIC. Epic.
Yeah, guys, it's been a long time since we have done a sit-down video. You know, up and down, all these
Yo, the
vlogs
crab something there and all of them vlog there, yo, guys.
Finally, the crab vlog them come to an end. Really,
yeah, I like the feedback in the comment section.
we really love the feedback that we're getting in the comment section from the crab vlog them.
So, at the next step, though.
Yeah.
And where we go from there, though. So, that is where we're there, so again,
Yeah, guys.
you know.
From yesterday title, you know, so we'll have a channel update for you guys, and that's what this video is gonna be titled, a channel update. You feel me?
You in on the blue shirt. You in on the black pants. And the black clocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the tongue king.
Ah, king.
Yeah, man, who say I have a couple charge up there. I'm a subscriber. Wait.
I feel you.
Say, and them order the time custom, them want king.
Custom.
So them get them time with king on it. And remember, guys, the time lady, our link I got in the description.
Yeah.
And you see the elite tutoring where we are talking
about. Hold on, guys. Hold on. We're doing a channel update, and we're going to update you with our promotional part of it. You feel me? So this part is going to be part 1 and part 2. This part is the promotional part, right? So we are going to get down on the agenda. First is the Tom lady. Go ahead, baby.
Yes, you don't know the Tom lady. You're a shout out.
Yes,
support
guys.
The thing, guys.
The Tom, not because of Tom, I know a wool make Tom. For who didn't know, now you know. These Toms are very durable, and you have quality for your money. You feel me? So you get quality for your money, and that's the best way to go. Quality for your money. And the Toms are made with love. So just come on over, get your Toms, and we are going to insert a picture so you can see what we are talking about. Either over here, so over there, so somewhere up on the screen.
I'll put it somewhere up on the screen.
Yeah, and remember, check for the contact, it's there. And we cater for children just the same, and we start from 3,000 go up. You don't know, for kids it's gonna be a different price. For the different style, it's gonna be a different price. So
get your Tom.
Yeah,
get your belt.
Give her a call.
Get your bag.
She do shawls as well.
She make all the scarf, shawls.
Shawls it's called.
So get them, support the thing.
The Tom styles, you can get buried, you can get a regular Tom, however you
want
want
the
it.
peak if you want it.
Yeah, and we have custom.
The color where you choose.
Custom, so if you want it custom made,
so if you want a different color where you never see nobody, you know, it's alright. You get it.
Yes, not a problem.
Alright,
so now,
moving forward, right?
Moving right along.
So we'll get on to the elite.
Yeah. For educational purposes, guys, we know that we are in a pandemic.
They're around the corner right now. I talk about the youth, yeah.
You have seen him in a couple of the videos, but we didn't.
Yeah, see him Rasta what we are telling you about.
No, guys. Let me introduce him properly. Maybe you haven't.
Pinch up on your jaw.
You see him provoking and we are talking business, guys. Let's get it together.
So, let's see.
Come on, man. Let me give you an introduction.
I'm tell you, my brother.
Yeah.
You understand, guys. You see him up in the day in our life.
He's in the videos
day in our
as
life and the mini Mukbang Chitchat, that video.
Yeah. He's in the videos as Dre and
Drew.
Yeah, Drew, Andrew. Yeah. That's him. But when it come on to fun and joke aside and it come on to the classroom, that's Mr. Jackson for you.
Yes.
You hear that? So if you're a student and you're watching, Mr. Jackson for
but you don't know, everybody have a life
outside of their profession.
Everybody have a life, so that's just him being, you know,
enjoy his life.
Boom, and I enjoy the thing.
So how it goes now? You want to get into that?
Alright, I'm going to start it like this. First thing first, I'm going to say, we're going to put him up on the screen.
You go see.
You go see the promotion posters anywhere on the screen. It can go come somewhere in the middle, on the side or on the front.
Wherever. You will see.
You go see it on the screen. And him, na normal. Chemistry, bio, out of the world.
And maths as well, guys.
If you have a problem with maths, him there. But a matter of fact, any subject, but him really a major right now in just chemistry and bio. And we maybe take a 1 and 2 math student.
And physics as well. Don't leave off that. Alright, guys.
He might tell me say not really to push the physics right now because most time students them based on the chemistry and the bio.
Alright. But
so
if you're really weak in the area.
If you're weak in the area still and is available as a physics student, he can give some assistance as well. Not just
CXC students only. We cater for PEP
GSAT.
And a GSAT anymore.
Oh, sorry.
All school, all people, let me know.
PEP students. PEP, CXC, CAPE.
And guys, he's thinking about doing a summer program with the summer classroom.
Same summer program with the bio thing, the bio and the chemistry.
Yeah, like a little, one-on-one summer training camp vibe. Like how we go up on camp marathon where him do a maths marathon or whichever marathon.
Or a chemistry marathon or bio marathon. So
yeah,
we'll link him.
He's very reasonable. He's a reliable teacher and also a good teacher at that. And say right now a pandemic, everybody brain
everything
frustrated.
Gone online right now. So
you
the best right now.
So just
and he has tutored A1 students that has passed.
Guys, just Google the teacher. Google the teacher and you will
need to
know
check him
who we are
out.
talking about.
In the description, you're going to see in email.
Yes.
Because he's very professional. He's very professional, guys. So you're going to see the email in the description. And as I tell you before, I'm going to put up the posters on the screen where you can see them and you can call from there. We're going to also put the number with the email.
Yeah.
No, we're not going to put no number. We're just going to put the email, guys.
Yeah, guys, because persons take their numbers very private and personal because I'm a person like that. So email him and if the number transaction upon...
If he give us the permission to add the number,
we
we'll
can
add
do
the
that.
number.
Yeah.
For now, it's just the email.
Yes, guys.
And we'll be adding the email in other videos, not only this video, guys.
Yes,
so
please check the description
you
for
can
the
see
email.
the Tom lady, the hairdresser.
Moving right along to the hairdresser.
And the tutor.
Yes, for the hairdresser, guys, that's my sister, Latty. Yes, she whatever you need, you look a simple cane, you look a simple plait, and she also do male, female, and children. So if you have your child and you don't know, you don't really have the time, give her a call. She can do it for you, whatever style. Ensure that you work with the product if you know your child measure in certain products, or if you use a certain products, work with it. And if you want your braids, whether you want cane row, whatever, as I said before, give her a link up. And guys, I don't want to talk about all your sister can do hair, ever this and ever that. Listen to me, I like my natural hair. You feel me? Me in the bag of falls, nothing. I will wear braids.
We no fussy buffy.
Hey.
You know, we no fit tough. The girl them a feel love we. Yeah. The King&Ally story.
Alright.
You no want more, subscribe then.
Click the notification bell. Hey.
You want more, subscribe then. Click the notification bell.
Drop your bang and comment then.
Bang, bang, boom.
Down below.
Bang, bang, boom.
Alright. Yeah, guys.
Yes, so I don't see the shrimp.
Let's get back in this.
You know, so we're full of vibes like rum already. I wish one of the rum them. Street vibes.
Rum bar.
Rum
Reneville.
Rum bar.
Yeah.
No man, me a rum. Step in at the club, no buy no liquor by the bar. No flex with man, me and peer girl apart.
Aye.
You me say? Step in at the club, no buy no liquor by the bar.
Alright.
You get the metaphor?
Yeah, don't buy no liquor, just buy out the bar.
Buy out the bar.
Yeah, guys. So check out that. I don't want nobody to comment to ask me about my ear. You feel me? I like being me and this is how I am going to be. That's it. So, for our cooking channel, that's Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander over there. Well,
like while watching, you know.
To the end, don't stop it.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take
yes,
in the rest
guys.
of the video, yeah.
Carefully.
Alright.
That is where we get down to the T and the professional.
Yeah, so that's why we can't do certain things over there. Where we can
guys,
do over here.
let me tell you something.
You understand?
There's a time.
But we're going to put up video, a clip of the video on the screen. Look out for that.
Yeah.
Or
Wherever you will see.
a matter of fact, we have never done this before, so we're gonna try.
We will try. As you can see, guys, we're new to YouTube, so if you have any tips and ideas you would like to give us, and we want an app that we can use to go live. So if you are watching, you know a good
comment
app.
Comment
Yeah.
up. Roseanne Kitchen, comment up.
Yeah, comment.
You know the shreps in it.
Yeah.
You don't know the shreps, you don't know the thing go.
So we'll have
Pepsi
or
or
your
whichever
favorite
flavor drink you like.
Yeah, guys, and let me get back into what I was saying. As it regards to our chef channel, that is where we are very professional. So if you see us over here and you
That's
get
what we do for a living, guys. That's how we eat our bread.
over there is us being professional. Over here is where you get the fun, the joke, and the laughter. So whenever you're coming over there, just ensure that you refer to us as Chef Reed and Chef Alexander, because that's where we be professional. Alright. We have the different playlists. Relax, man, let me talk.
Why you see you get them things?
Let me talk. We have our different playlists. We have our vegan playlist, or pasta, or chicken, or meat, whatever. So we categorize everything for you.
Desserts.
And the desserts and all of that good stuff. So
and we're cooking monumental. Them need for document.
Historic.
If you are drink, I get a special. If you're the movie popcorn style,
Caramel.
guys, that one ya EPIC.
Epic. Yes, guys. So we also do catering. So whether it be a dinner date, right?
Whether it be a wake.
That one wake is basically 9 nights set up, all of that.
A wedding. A private function where just you and your lady.
Yeah.
At home, you just
a
want
private
us to
date.
you just want us to come and blow your minds.
Yes, we can do that for
that's,
you.
oh gosh.
And if you have a little family get together or a baby shower, you know, like a party where you want with a cater for the food, we can also do that. But guys, please remember
the protocol.
Yeah, please
COVID
remember that
protocol. And I always remember that.
we're living in a pandemic and we have protocols. So you can't call with the day before and expect us to come
the following day. It makes no sense.
Yes,
you have to brief us so we can, what we do, we work in a...
As I'm telling you guys over there, so we're very professional down to the T.
And you know, you see like how you have chemistry and physics and you have formulas.
We have a strategy.
We don't really, okay, I was going to break it down, but you just did.
We have a strategy.
We work with, we have a lot of formulas. A lot of formulas, guys, that we use to execute. You understand?
Yes, guys.
And all our cooking, the techniques and all of that, it comes with formulas. You understand? And I can call myself a self-taught chef. And you understand, because
we're going to do a whole video and document the both of our chef journey.
I want to do a video from when we start
to where we're at now.
And where I'm at. It's going to be like maybe 5 or 4 videos, because the
journey.
The journey, I try.
It's not easy.
I try to make it as concise as possible.
But it's not an easy
Short
journey.
and spicy. You understand? But like I say, it's never easy. And you understand?
Guys, so just look out for the video. You feel me?
And as I'm telling you, we're going to put up the chef channel. We're going to try to get a video from
yes, guys, and on the chef channel, we're on the road to 1K. Get us to 1K, guys. Share out the content. And you can feel free to try out the video, the recipe, them. And tag us on Instagram.
And send us a picture.
Link is in the description down below.
And if you left a comment, you guarantee a comment.
A reply.
You may tell us you guarantee a comment. Whether I reply or comment, you guarantee a reply.
Yes, guys. And back to the strategy. We have a strategy, right? So you cannot call us the day before the function or the day before the event, because we really need to plan what we'll be serving and all of that good stuff. If you know things don't happen overnight. We're living in a pandemic. We have to work with the curfew guidelines and stuff. We're looking for our safety and yours. Yes, we don't want nobody to get locked up and all them good stuff. So that's for the most part. Check us out, give us a call, it doesn't matter. We're reasonable and you're getting quality.
Yeah, man, remember again, go over Chef Reed and Chef Alexander.
Yeah, cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander. That's our chef YouTube channel.
Reed, or if you want to type in Chef Alexander,
either way,
there, subscribe, like the content them, drop some banger comment, make we know say you come from this video,
King&Ally.
this update, King&Ally.
Yes, guys. So, that's about it. We have anything else?
No, I can leave them with a bang though.
We have anything else?
So
Guys,
them with a bang, though.
I don't think we have anything else. But remember, people, please, we want to start doing one live on YouTube. So just if you know any app we can use,
Comment it
down below. And we're on the road to 1K, 2K, 3K, and 4K.
I'll M them too.
Yeah, subscribe, no man. You get the good content.
So until next time.
No, that's not how we do it. We're gonna give you the thought for today. You know I always want to lock off the video.
So hurry and give them the thought of the day, because remember this is an update. We don't want to dry it.
Alright guys, may I give the thought for today. The thought for today is there's a time and a place for everything. You know, sometimes you just need to step back from all that is happening, analyze yourself and realize certain things. And remember, in everything you do, put God first and just let him lead the way. What's your thought?
Yo, on a real level, guys, work for what you want in a life. You can't plant corn and want reap yam. You can't plant mango and want blackberry. You understand? So what I try to get to is this. You see, the harder you go for what you want, it's a surety say you will gain it. And my mother always tell me, say, word, sound, power.
Manifestation.
Power is in, life and death is in the power of the tongue.
Yes.
So you ask what you want and then you move to what you want.
Manifestation is
and
very important.
And when I say ask what you want, I mean I go to a man or a
beg
woman.
nobody, ask
say,
God and
you know,
give him.
want you did know.
Ask the Lord for the strength,
Read between the lines.
the courage, the wisdom and understanding to pursue what you want.
Tell me the dumb sign, yeah.
You know where mad people?
Anybody can comment that and tell me what that mean a while ago.
Me not feel like him do it good, even though I don't know what I talk about.
Yo, I don't remember it, but that's something like that.
I remember it.
Yeah, me I say, so I'm going to leave you with a bang. What some man where you par with some girl where your wife up, my friend give me a knife cut. Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.